Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Shane with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20878. Super nice 2008 Tailift. It's a WFG50 model. It's a 5,000 pound capacity cushion tire forklift. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast. Does approximately 188-inch lift height. Does have side shift. Shane's gonna run it up for us real fast. Has excellent treaded drive tires, smooth steer tires, the smooth running LP gas engine, automatic transmission. It's a new PM service, recent repairs, tune-up kit, and an excellent paint job. Ready for work. Again, this is Kyle and Shane with Western Material Handling. You can check out this forklift or any other forklifts at our website at abetterforklift.com. Thank you very much.